Oh, hello kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel Aashiedu, and today I will tell you Umlaut. Okay, you know what is a Umlaut? I will tell you. Okay, so I will make a Umlaut here, and I need to find the Umlaut where it is. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so it's a three umlaut things. Okay, are you ready? So I will tell you. Do you know what is this dot? No, I will tell you. Okay, first I will tell you, then I will tell you this. Okay, so what is this? This is what the German thing. Oh. Oh, if this come out umlaut, so will we tell uh, uh, okay? So what so this is what is this? This is a ah. In German we tell a ah. Okay, if this is also come here umlaut, so what will we tell a a. If we tend to teach in German, so what will it K A. Yeah, I found a case. Okay, so this is a. Okay, and what is this? Uh, uh. Okay, so now I will tell you. I need to find the umlaut this. Okay, are you ready? Where is? Oh, I found it one. Here is. Here. Now next. How was this? I something. Oh, I found it. Oh, I found it one more bear. No one lost. Have you any found it? You found it? Tell me. Oh, you found it. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Okay, now next level. Okay. Now this is done. Okay, now next word. Okay. Now do you know what is this? No, I will tell you. Okay. So, because I know German, so I can tell you. So, what is this? Okay, and this is s. And this is a ha sa. Okay, now if this will be joined to so it will be sa. Okay, now next. Okay, what is this? Yeah, okay, and this is a okay, if this will be a join, so what will be, you know? Ow. This is a ow. Okay, and what is this? I will tell you, this is a, that is e. I. If this will join, so it will be I. Okay, now I want to find this word in here, and I need to cycle also. Okay. Have you any found? You found where? Left or right? Oh, middle house. Yeah. Okay, I know one more something. This. Oh, what is this? Very big. I will tell you. First, you say I, eyes, Here, sand is a very hard. Means it's a squirrel. Squirrel. Okay. So, I found it. Now one more. It's a done. Oh, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel and you can see my videos and like. So bye.